What's the deal, y'all? You know it's your girl Ivy Ive, and this is Vibes with Ivy Ive. So I had received my package this day from Amazon, and I wanted to do a little unboxing for you guys. I was very excited about this because it is hot out, and my baby girl needs her fan, period, because I don't want her to overheat. So here we go. So here it is. Battery fan, ultra quiet, strong wind, long life battery, and nightlight. I didn't even notice I had a nightlight. Yep, so let's open it up. So automatically we have the fan itself, which reminds me of like a little tripod. For content or something, but this is the legs. I'm assuming that you can wrap around the stroller and just keep it there to keep her nice and cool. It comes with this here as well, the manual, handheld, vertical, and winding. Yeah, that's cool. You can hold it, you can prop it up, or you can attach it to anything that they're sitting on. And gives you the directions. It is a charger, so that is amazing. You don't have to put batteries. It's awesome. And this is the charger. Nice little USB charger, and yeah, I will show you guys how this looks when I use it. Just wanted to quickly show you guys that in the back there are buttons for the fan and the LED portion of the actual fan. When you press the fan, it has this option here, which is the low option. Press it again to medium. Press it again and it's the high. Pretty good breeze. You listen. It's a pretty good breeze. Turn it off if you press it the 4th time. It also has, I'm gonna put it back on low, but it also has an LED option. When you click that, there is a light. Look at that, so cool. And this is actually the high light. It has a medium light, and it also has a low light. So that's amazing. I didn't even expect it to have that option. I didn't even realize it did. Definitely recommend already. Definitely will be taking this with me. Put it in my bag. Definitely a must-have for babies and for yourself. I mean, this is amazing. Awesome. And it can turn. So yeah. Definitely recommend already. All right, so here we were getting ready to go see her grandparents, and we slept over for a few days, and the fan worked perfectly. She is a winter baby. She loves her little breeze. I put it on here on her swing. She loves her swing and her little blanket. And then we took a walk 2 days later. After we ate some food, I had it on her stroller, and she was up for a little while on my walk. I did like 4 laps. And then before you know it, this girl was out. I mean, this fan is perfect, you guys, for this weather. She was out like a light.